How to organize your documents. First of all, you can click on the given button to create a new folder. That will allow you to name a folder. And there you go, the folder is created. Then you can choose to move some of your agreements into the folder that you've just created. It's a very simple way of organizing your files, and any changes you've made will be confirmed by a notification in the top right corner. You can also filter your agreements by the status. Draft means that the document was created using the document creator, and the document is still unfinished. Ready for review or signature. That means that the document is completed, and it contains all the necessary data. You can therefore save it, print it, share it, or sign it via DocuSign. Negotiation. It is a completed document that is waiting for an approval of the other party. Ready for signature. It means that the document has already been sent to the other party of the contract and that the other party has approved it. Now the document just awaits your signature. Signed means that the document has been created and completed from both sides.